Hello students, how are you all? I think you all are fine at home. In last class we have already studied about the new social and political that groups, whatever the groups are there, and how the Persian wheel came to the world, how the wheel is used for the irrigation, which type of wheels are used for the basically purpose. The man, early man created the wheel. First they prepared the wheel, and after that they used for various purpose, for the irrigation, for weaving, for firearms and combat, food, beverage, for the arrival one place to another, then potato, corns, chili, tea, coffee, and everything they are whatever they are growing, crops they are growing, economically, politically, socially, culturally. These are the changes. We will learn so many changes about the year tracing five in chapter number 5, 6, and 7. This was the gold or good period. Get great mobility. Groups of people travel long distance in search of opportunity, and the subcontinent held immense wealth and the possibilities for the people to carve a fortune. They prepared a good goal in their lives. One of the group of people who became important in this period were Rajputs. Rajputs were the well-known persons that time. Rajputra, the son of the ruler between the 18th and 14th centuries, the term was applied more generally to a group of warriors who claimed Satriyas. Satriyas caste are the more known able caste for the people of those years. Then, if we will talk about the rule, who ruled, so many soldiers are there, armies they served, monarchs they created, a civil archivaric code they created and conducted, an extreme vapor of great sense of loyalty were the qualities attribute of the Rajputs were the poets and bards, other groups of people such as Marathas, Sikh, Jats, Ahoms, and Kayasats. There are various types of groups of peoples are there, those who are politically important for those days. Throughout this period, it was gradually a clearing of forests, the extension of agriculture, and they need to improve the habitat. What is habitat? Habitat refers to the environment of a region and the social and economic lifestyle of its resident. It is a social and economical change of a people, how they survive, how they live in front of our. These all are a peasant group. They are influenced by the religion, market, chief lessons, and different type of peoples. Monasteries are there, temples are there, and various type of people become a part of this, where they required to pay taxes for goods, for services, for everything. At last, at a result, amongst peasants, some of the people possessed more productive land, others keep cattle, some combine restrainers, and also kept cattle, and some combined agriculture activity during the lean seasons. And that is the society of Rajput's time, how the subcaste and caste, different ranks were given for their people, were not fixed permanently but varied according to the power and influence and resources controlled by the members of the jati. The behavior or what matter preserved by the people, according to that the jati is divided into the people. And jati frame their own rules and regulation. Every jati is preparing their own rules and regulation and conducting the same. They are having jati panchayat also. If they do any misconduct, there will be punished by the jati conduct. And then region and empire, different empires, different reason are there. You will know about the Chola empire, you will read in chapter number 2. Tughlaq empire, you will read in chapter number 3. Mughals empire in chapter number 4. Encompassed regions are there, and so many reasons we can find here. Delhi Sultan, Gadias Balban, matlab Ghiyasuddin Babban. In if about this you will read in the next chapter, and you will know that how they ruled, how they conquered the areas, how they conquered the cities, how they conquered the kingdoms, and how they ruled over these countries. Everything is available in this chapter. So when we go further, you will read about the how in history people conquer, how the kings rule over the kingdoms, that we will find in this further chapters. Going to the further, we are having language and regions. Here you can know about the language and regions. What are the language and regions they are following? Here is one language and regions note is there. You can read out this note. You can understand something about the Amir Khusrau, who was the poet and the writer who is writing about the kingdoms and their religions. So here you can know about that. And by 700, many regions are purged historical and geographical dimension and their own language and cultural characteristic. You will learn so many things in chapter 9 about these all things. And occasionally dynasties like Cholas or Khiljis, Tughlaqs and Mughals were able to build an empire, and that was a pan religion spanning diverse region, not as the empires were equally stable or successful. Compare, for example, it is just for the example that how they ruled and how they declined. When the Mughal Empire declined in the 18th century, it has led to a re-emergence for the religious state. So, till here we will study today. In next chapter, we will go something more further about old and new religion. Thank you and have a great day ahead of you all.